A dramatic courtroom moment is now making headlines across the country. Donald Trump abruptly walked out of a tense hearing, just as the presiding judge reportedly ordered that all exits be blocked. What started as a heated exchange quickly escalated into a scene that left observers stunned and raised serious legal questions. What exactly happened inside that courtroom? And what could this mean for the case moving forward? Let's break it down. Section 1. Setting the scene. According to reports from inside the courtroom, the hearing had already been intense. Attorneys were engaged in sharp arguments, and the judge appeared visibly frustrated at several points during the proceedings. Tensions escalated when a key issue was raised, one that directly impacted Trump's legal standing in the case. Witnesses describe a noticeable shift in the atmosphere as the exchange grew more confrontational. Then came the moment that changed everything. Section 2. The walkout. In a move that surprised many in attendance, Trump abruptly stood up and walked toward the exit while the hearing was still in session. Courtroom protocol typically requires all parties to remain present unless formally excused by the judge. Leaving without acknowledgement can be seen as a breach of procedure, depending on the circumstances. As Trump moved toward the doors, the judge reportedly responded by ordering that the exits be blocked, an unusual directive that immediately intensified the situation. Observers say the courtroom fell silent. Section 3. The judge's response. Legal analysts note that judges maintain strict authority over courtroom proceedings. An order to block exits, if accurately reported, signals that the judge may have viewed the walkout as disruptive or potentially in violation of court rules. Such actions can carry procedural consequences. In certain situations, walking out of a hearing could lead to reprimands, warnings, or even more serious legal implications, though much depends on the jurisdiction and the specific circumstances. At this stage, it remains unclear whether any formal penalties will follow. Section 4. What this means moving forward. Moments like this can have ripple effects. Courtroom behavior often influences how judges manage future proceedings. It can also shape public perception and media coverage surrounding the case. The key question now is whether this confrontation will escalate tensions further, or whether both sides will attempt to reset as the legal process continues. One thing is certain. What happened in that courtroom has added a new layer of drama to an already closely watched case. Closing. As more details emerge, we'll continue to monitor developments and break down what they could mean legally and politically. What do you think about this courtroom confrontation? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth legal and political analysis.